Hey everybody, welcome back. So recently a company called Tronco reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to test their reusable glass tumbler. And if you guys have watched my videos, you'll know I'm always drinking out of something made out of steel or plastic, and I hate it. I really like drinking out of glass, but glass has some drawbacks for me. One is I tend to knock them over a lot because there's never a lid, and I tend to let them slip out of my fingers, which makes a giant mess. And of course, you get a lot of sweating, with something iced, and just leaves a mark wherever it goes. So I thought this would be a good thing for me, and maybe for you too. To let you know, I have already had this out of the package to wash it, so I do know what comes in it. You get two nice plastic straws, really nice big fat ones, and you get the cup and the lid itself. And what do they say about it? They say it is glass, easier to clean, no residual flavor, no harmful chemicals, is BPA free, is free, PVC and lead free, silicone sleeve, 100% food grade, protective and durable, dishwasher safe, will not degrade over time like plastic or steel, and hand wash the lid. So this is it right here, and this is really a nice feeling silicone sleeve. It's got a lot of grip. You don't have to squeeze it, or like me, tuck your little finger under it constantly so you're not dropping it. And here's something else I like. The lid extends past the edge, so if you knock it over, the lid catches it, not the glass edge. And the lid is nice and squishy. Oh, and look, the straw hole is completely closed when the straw isn't in it. I don't know how long that'll last, but might last quite a while. So I really like how that is. Let's try something in it. Let's see how much it sweats. And yeah, let's see that. So I'm going to come over to my refrigerator and let's get some ice. I think somebody needs to have a look at their ice maker. There we go. Now we're cooking. There we go. And cold water. And let's try the lid first. I'm kind of curious to see how badly it will spill, because that is completely closed. I mean, that's pretty impressive. I mean, nothing's coming out of that. All right, let's put a straw in it. I'm dying to see how well it seals with a straw stuffed in it. Well, we know it's going to come out the end of the straw, but maybe I can... I just want to see how much that seal leaks there around the straw. A little bit, but not too much. That's not too bad at all. I normally don't drink much out of straws, but it sure is nice to have the cap on the top. Nice big fat straw too. You can see it's already sweating up on the outside, but not around that sleeve. I do like drinking out of glass. Anyway, there you have it. That is the Tronco reusable glass tumbler with a silicone sleeve, a silicone lid. Comes with two big, nice, fat plastic straws. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.